I got to go in that little door. Crawl space in a commercial building. I hate this place. They put all the zone valves. All the zone valves in the crawl space. And I got to go all the way to the back corner. I think this is the first time I took a video here. Maybe, maybe not. Not sure. It won't be the last zone valve I replace. I think it's stuck on. First I gotta find it. Just gotta put our standard head on. So gotta go straight back that way and under some pipes. All the way back there, probably it's a good 100 feet back there. At least it's sand. Let me get back there. I'll find it. Alright, so ouch. There's our culprit right here. 117. Let's see. She's open. Let's take some wires off. We're in the dark here. There's nothing you can do. Sand. Let's see if it's a thermostat or the zone valve. So if I take one wire off, it should shut. If I take the wire off and it doesn't shut, it's the zone valve. It's the zone valve because it should have shut off by now. Yeah. Yeah, it's stuck open. One of the crappiest spots too. I've ran into a lot worse, but I shouldn't complain. I should not complain. Just shut. Plunger's free. Oh, I got crap in my eye. Hook everything back up before I put it up there. Just make it easier. Yeah, because I don't have a thermostat calling, so it's shut. There we go. Back on. Make sure it operates. Springs back. There we go. I'm gonna put the old cover back on because I didn't bring a marker. There we go. Oh. Oh, it's like playing in the sand at the beach. See that? Just doop. Oh god. Dusty. All right, let me go there. See the hole? Let me crawl out and I'll be done. It's always an adventure going to this place, especially last year. They called me and said, hey, my hallways are hot and I got a bad zone valve somewhere. So I went all through that crawl space. The building is pretty big. It's got to be 4,000 or 5,000 square feet, and it's on a crawl space. Yeah, it's got to be 5,000 square feet, every bit of it. And they called me last year and like, oh, hallways are hot. Hallways are hot. They've never been hot. I tracked stuff down. There is no zone valve, no thermostat, no nothing for the hallway. So the guy was, I think the previous, there was kind of maintenance man change. And yeah, I crawled that whole crawl space. It was not cool. Not cool. But this one was easy. This one was like going to the beach. Got to play in some sand. It was a little dark. It was like the beach at night. And am I gonna hit? Ooh, I just skated by. So yeah, it's always an adventure going in there. That's all it was. Changing zone valve out. We do probably maybe 5 a year over here, and it's simple. We've been doing this building for so long, it's just, we got everything kind of marked, what room's what. And even if you don't know what room's what, it's pretty close by, you know, the vicinity. See, so it's not too terrible. So you guys know what you need to do: like, subscribe, hit up the GoFundMe for my son, fighting cancer. Still have a hard time saying that. Anything helps. And I will see you on the next one.